That's fire. That is fire. I'm about to try this out, see if it's good. What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing some sanding of this table that I had in the back. It was like right here in this area. If you guys are new, my name is Ro. I'm a pre-viz animator, post-viz animator. I work on movies, commercials, and all that stuff. This channel is about family. If you're into positivity, this is the right channel for you. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment below. Let me give you a quick run through of what I'm going to be doing today. So today, like I said, is the table. We got that table situation going and about to happen, and our in-laws are coming in today. They're gonna be flying in super late. So I gotta go to the airport because they decided to get a flight super late. So we'll be doing a little drive late at night tonight. Yeah. Last video I was talking about the ice cream social and stuff and how positive and how great it was. I was super tired, y'all. I was through. We talked for 4 hours. I was gone. Now I got energy, got some sleep, and now I'm about to get ready to sand this boy. You guys ready? All right, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, we back at it again. So I got my stain right here. I got my plate for the roller stain on like this, and then I got my screwdriver to first open up the stain. We're just going to stain the top of it, this watercolor, and kind of go from there, and I'll show you guys the process. Time right now. Oh, you think it's funny? You think it's a game out here in these streets? Oh, you think it's a game? So, yo, I'm out here with my daughter. Just finished up staining the table, so I'm excited about this. It came out really good. I ain't even gonna lie. It came out really good. Whoever we sell it to, they should be proud too, because it's restained. Surface top is restained, and then I'm gonna polyurethane it later on as well. So here it is. Ugh. out here with my wife. Hey man. You gotta. You know what? This is exactly why I don't film her. because she is ridiculous. Ridiculous. So, yeah, I don't know.
I gotta stain.
We finished that table. Now we letting it cure and unthaw. Like it's chicken. It's clearly, I'm still hungry. I was about to say chicken. We letting that table chill for 8 hours. We're waiting for the allowing the stain to penetrate to the table, so the table can sop it up a little bit, and then it can dry out, and then we can get ready to use it. Then we're gonna polyurethane it a couple days from now. Wife and I finally get to chill and watch some stuff and relax for like a hot minute because our in-laws are coming in tonight. I gotta go pick them up at 12, so I'll show you guys that a little bit. And end of day, yo. End of day. Today was a good day. Today been a good day. I did a lot of labor with that dang old table on the top. Thank God I was only doing the top, because I would not survive doing the other parts. So yeah. I'm about to eat dinner. I'll check in with you guys later when we go pick up my in-laws. Alright, y'all. I am driving through LA Airport. So exciting. So exciting. So exciting. I guess I should tell them to be like, yo, let's meet at oh, you trying to move over? If you try to move over, put your signal on, because I'm gonna keep going. Like, let's meet at P7. There's like too many cars, okay? I feel claustrophobic. I feel like I'm getting taken advantage of, and I just feel the pressure. You know? No, we going to P6? No, P5. P5? Spirit is P5. Okay. I don't know how long, how soon, how far, how wide, how deep, how big is the love of God. The love of Jesus. Yo, what up, y'all? A new day, got some rest. Yeah, Zuzu, she's just going through this stage. Obviously, y'all probably still hear her in the background fussing. She's petitioning to my in-laws and to help her in her dire need of getting out of this crib while she's tired and then she needs to go to sleep. Clearly falling on deaf ears because they are asleep right now. Gotta show you guys. I got up, made some breakfast for everyone. Yes, bacon, eggs, and yogurt. Made that for everybody. Actually, for only 4 people because my wife can't eat. She'll get there. Today is the day that she get her sutures out. Gonna be nice. So now we can go eat and stuff. But she can't really have hard foods all like that. You gotta ease into your eating thing, right, babe? You're not just gonna go straight into viciousness.
Yes, not straight into viciousness.
Okay. I was just saying. Did you want to eat in and out? You can? Babe, after you get those sutures out, you can do whatever you want.
I don't think I can do whatever
See,
I want.
at least I knew that I could do whatever I want when I got mine out. That's why I ate duelin straight up.
That's why you got meatloaf and mac and cheese instead of chicken.
That's correct. 100%. All right, y'all. Back at it again. Yo, finally about to check this table out. I ain't gonna lie, this thing looks fire, raw, legit. It was a little bit sticky today, but now I think it's completely dry, fully dry. So yeah, let's take a look real quick. Look at this boy. Bam. Bam. Yeah, who stained that? Yeah, I stained that. Who stained that? Yeah, I stained that last night. Who else did that? Yeah, that was me. My wife told me to do it and I did it. What? She believed in me. Believed in me. Table is finished, complete, sanded, stained, and ready to be in use, and also ready to be sold. Yo, I'm sweating. Today is a hot one. It is 94 degrees out here, and I'm wearing black. Yeah, I did. I wore black because I can, because I want to. And this is the only shirt that I had available at the time. Yeah, we're gonna get this table in. Then I got some stuff to do. The in-laws and us, we're gonna go to In-N-Out, get some burgers and stuff. I know we're gonna be waiting a while, but hey, it is what it is. It's an experience, right? So yeah, I think that's it. That's all I got. So let's get into the rest. Alright guys, so now I finally got my animal style burger and my animal style fries. I got what is it? Double meat. So meat with cheese, double meat and cheese in between. And then I got an animal style, so I got the same ingredients that I got on top of the fries is the same ingredients that I got on top of the burger as well. So yo, I'm about to try this out, see if it's good, if it's delicious. Actually, let me try it out now. Forget this. Is this bacon bits though? Or is it just grilled onions? What did it taste for you, Vinny? Okay. Okay. All right. Not bad. Look at that. It's right there. Right there. That's fire. That is fire. Oh, just look at you, girl. I see you.